Kia ora anō e hoa, welcome back. This is actually our second to last lesson in this entire series. I hope you found it interesting and useful, and more than anything, I hope you've built confidence to start speaking te reo Māori. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask and answer the question, e pēhea ana, which means, how are you feeling? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your emotions using a variety of common feelings. And also, I'm going to show you how to use the word tino to intensify those feelings. So, let's get started by learning how to ask someone how they are feeling. The phrase we're going to use is e pēhea ana koe, which means, how are you feeling? Let's break that down. E pēhea ana means how is or how are. And the word koe, as you know, means you. The feeling part is implied in the question. So when we put all of that together, e pēhea ana koe, we're asking, how are you feeling? Koe. So let's practice that together. Repeat after me. E pēhea ana koe. Perfect. Now let's learn how to answer that question. To answer e pēhea ana koe, we use the phrase e feeling ana aho, which means I am feeling whatever it is that you're feeling. So let's go over some common feelings in te reo Māori, starting with pai, which means good, hia moi, sleepy, hia kai, hungry, hoha, annoyed, pouri, sad, hia mo, excited, riri, angry, ngenge, tired. And another common response that you might get is ora, which means alive. But often what people really mean is that they're alive and well. So let's practice saying all of those different emotions together. Repeat after me. Pai. Good. Hia moi. Sleepy. Hia kai. Hungry. Hoha. Annoyed. Pouri. Sad. Hia mo. Excited. Riri. Angry. Ngenge. Tired. Mauiwi. Sick. And last but not least, ora. Alive and well. Now let's put all of those feelings into some sentences. Repeat after me. E pai ana aho. E hia moi ana aho. E hia kai ana aho. E hoha ana aho. E pouri ana aho. E hia mo ana aho. E riri ana aho. E ngenge ana aho. E mauiwi ana aho. E ora ana aho. Let's practice some of those together. Let's say you're feeling good, which is probably the most common response that people often give you, even if they're not actually feeling that good. It's a really easy default answer. So the answer would be e pai ana aho. I'm feeling good. So I'll give you the pātai, and I want you to answer with e pai ana aho, just to practice. Are you ready? E pēhea ana koe. Ka pai e hoa, I'm glad that you're feeling good. Let's try something different. Let's say you've had a big night and you're feeling a little bit tired. So your answer would be e ngenge ana aho. I'm tired. So I'll give you the question, and I want you to answer with e ngenge ana aho. Are you ready? E pēhea ana koe. E ngenge ana aho. Good answer. Last one. Let's say you've picked up a wee tickle in your throat, a little bit of a cough, and you're feeling a little bit mauiwi, a little bit sick. The answer would be e mauiwi ana aho. I'm going to ask you the question. Are you ready? E pēhea ana koe. Hopefully you said something like e mauiwi ana aho. Ka pai. You're doing great. Now, Sometimes you might want to emphasize or intensify how you're feeling. And to do this, we use the word tino, which means very or really. For example, if you're feeling really good, you can say tino pai. Or if you're feeling really tired, you can say tino ngenge. It's pretty straightforward, but let's go over a few examples just to solidify that learning. Repeat after me. Tino pai. Very good. Tino hia moi. Very sleepy. Tino hoha. Very annoyed or frustrated. And tino mauiwi. I'm very sick, under the weather, and so on. Let's put these into sentences and practicing answering the question e pehea ana koe together. This time, adding in the word tino. Are you ready? Repeat after me. E tino pai ana aho. I'm feeling very good. E tino hia moe ana aho. I'm feeling very sleepy. E tino hoha ana aho. I'm feeling very frustrated. E tino mauiwi ana aho. I am very sick. Ka pai. But what about all of those times that you're just kind of feeling a particular way? Maybe you're feeling a little sick or just kind of good. To say this, we swap the word tino for āhua. For example, āhua pai means kind of good. Āhua pai. Let's practice a few others. Repeat after me. E āhua hia moe ana aho. I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. Or e āhua pauri ana aho. I'm feeling a little sad. What about this one? E āhua hia kai ana aho. I'm feeling a little bit hungry or peckish. Awesome. Now you know exactly how to express how you're feeling. Before we wrap up, let's go through a quick practice conversation. I'll ask you e pehea ana koe, and I want you to answer with exactly how you're feeling right now. Either pick one of the feelings that we've learned today, add in the kupu tino or āhua if you want to. Kei te rite, are you ready? Here comes the question. E pehea ana koe. Ka pai, that's fantastic, e hoa. Here's what I want you to do. Throughout the day today, I want you to check in with yourself and ask yourself, e pehea ana aho, how am I feeling? It's a great way to practice, and it also helps you become a bit more aware of your emotions too. You can also ask your friends and your whānau, e pehea ana koe, to get some practice in with other people. Teach them a few of the common feelings that we've learned today and teach them how to answer it for themselves. You know what I keep saying? Teaching this stuff is powerful, and it's the best way, in my experience, to reinforce that learning and make it stick. As always, e hoa, keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in our last lesson. Ka kite ana.